Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Ibinahagi ni Miss Echo International Philippines Alexi May Brooks ang kanyang masayang nararamdaman sa kanyang social media account dahil para ito sa Miss Echo Top 3 YouTube engagement na nangunguna ang Pilipinas sa Miss Echo International 2025 competition for the highest YouTube engagement so far. Ibinigay na nga ng Miss Echo International Organization ang ating top 3 Miss Echo YouTube engagement para sa Pilipinas. For the first place, second place Indonesia, and the third place is Nepal. Your incredible support and engagement have made a huge impact, so keep watching, sharing, and supporting your favorite candidates as they prepare for the Miss Echo International 2025. Nagpapasalamat si Alexi May Brooks sa lahat ng suporta na ibinibigay ng lahat ng mga Pinoy pageant fans. And of course, congratulations to our Miss Echo International Philippines, and please bring home the crown. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for us to give you more updates.